can touch the sky today. Let's enjoy the party. Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Welcome to this video. I am in a beautiful medieval village. It's very small. It's located near Cefalù, but this place is not so touristic like Cefalù. It's an undiscovered gem just in the heart of the Madonian Nature Reserve. That's why behind me you can see a beautiful landscape. The name is Pollina. Pollina is about 600 meters above the sea level, and if you stay in Cefalù during your tour of Sicily, you can enjoy the trip here in Pollina, because in my opinion it deserves a visit. You can find, of course, beautiful landscape, authentic food. You can relax because it's a very peaceful place. Not so much today because I'm here because they are celebrating a festival dedicated to Manna. Manna is a special nature product that comes out from ash trees. It's something really precious, we can say, because it's full of properties.